Kasi nga ang Australia naglabas na sila. I think it started effective the other day na 16 years old and below ay bawal na po talaga sila sa social media, no. They enumerated the platforms: TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, ano pa ba, there are other apps na hindi ko alam Oo So Doc Randy, kaya kami napatawag kasi si Senator Ping Lacson naghain rin siya, no, something similar sa kanya nga mas matanda, 18 years and below. So kayo po, what are your thoughts? Is this something that we should pursue further, or do you think this is halos impossible na po na mapagbawalan po natin ang paggamit ng mga kabataan sa social media?
Wow, thank you very much. This is a very interesting topic, no? Unang-una, feeling ko the Philippines shouldn't rush into something like this. Okay? Kasi this is an experimental thing It would be wiser to observe muna kung ano yung mangyayari from that pilot study from Australia, and then let's see what we can learn from it. And then we can better tweak yung nangyari sa kanila to our condition.
So wait and see muna tayo.
Okay.
Okay, sige
so,
po.
Doc, ayon nga po sa mga datos, social media actually increases naman talaga yung anxiety ng tao. Di ba? Ang dami na natin nabalitaan nga na ganyan. At saka yung depression at kung ano pa mental health issues. But there's also studies that show that social media also helps in development. Sa inyo pong clinical experience po, ano po yung mas matimbang dito sa Pilipinas? Is it harm or is it more damaging or does it do good sa ating mga kabataan?
Okay. Of course, there's a yin-yang to that. Siyempre, like what you said, may kabutihan, may kasamaan rin. And, the thing that we have to remember is that this is inescapable. Okay? We cannot escape from it. And in fact, because of AI, we will be more dependent on the internet and social media. So yung thought ko is that, why should we sanitize our children? Why should we sanitize our children and teenagers' internet environment when actually we should be guiding them on its use, even at a young age? Kasi my thought is that when they reach teenage years, yun yung peak ng hormones nila, it will even get worse. When they reach that age, they'll be totally unprepared rather than sinumulan na sila ng digital literacy, pagturo ng digital values and virtues sa pagkabata pa lang, then when they get into their teenage years, at least prepared na sila.
So your stance is parang kailangan meron pero dapat mahigpit yung guidance. Parang ganun po yung that's what I'm getting from you po, Doc Randy. Tama ba 'yon?
Yes. And the guidance hindi yan natural. Okay? So we have to teach our parents how to guide, and we have to teach our schools how to guide rin. So, social psychologists and, other scientists have to come together to, think about these things on how to help the children.